This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. TABI Diamond, the lead singer of stalwart reggae group Mighty Diamonds, was among two people killed in a drive-by shooting on McKinley Crescent in Kingston, minutes before 10 on Tuesday night. 3 other people were injured in the attack. Police report that the 67-year-old singer, whose real name is Donald Shaw, was among a group of people who were gathered at a section of the community when gunmen opened fire from a passing motor vehicle. The shooting has left members of the reggae industry in shock and grief. The award-winning Mighty Diamonds are responsible for some of reggae music's most memorable anthems, including Pass the Cutchie, Right Time, I Need a Roof, and Heads of Government. A student from the Petersfield High School in Westmoreland received treatment at hospital after a stabbing incident at the institution on Wednesday. She has since been released. One female allegedly removed a knife from her underwear and stabbed another female student during an altercation during the first session of school on Wednesday morning. Both students are said to be in grade 10. The remaining students were released from lessons at 10:30 a.m. after another fight ensued. This was defused. A third incident took place outside the school grounds, but it was also defused by students. Parents were called in shortly after school was dismissed for an urgent meeting. A 45-year-old welder was detained by police on Tuesday following the seizure of approximately 1,000 pounds of ganja in Portland. Police said the drug has a street value of approximately $700,000. The man, whose name is being withheld pending further investigation, is from St. Elizabeth. Police report that about 2 p.m., a Toyota station wagon motorcar being driven by the welder was intercepted. During a subsequent search of the vehicle, the compressed ganja was found inside. The welder was arrested on reasonable suspicion of breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. A 29-year-old man was gunned down at a candlelight vigil in Manchester on Tuesday night. The deceased has been identified as Tino Stewart, a resident of Caledonia Boulevard in Mandeville. A report from the Constabulary Communications Unit said that about 9:50 p.m., Stewart was shot dead by gunmen on Sweden Street near Georges Valley in the parish. The police were alerted and Stewart was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. In international news, actor Bruce Willis has been diagnosed with aphasia and will be stepping away from his decades-long career, his family announced on Wednesday. Aphasia is a medical condition that can affect a person's ability to speak, write, and understand language, both verbal and written. It typically occurs after a stroke or a head injury. Willis is known for his iconic roles in Die Hard, The Sixth Sense, Unbreakable, Pulp Fiction, and Armageddon. Bruce, whose career began on the off-Broadway stage in the 1970s, has starred in over 100 films. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.